Hi, welcome to Astronomy. Over the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through how you can access the textbook for this course, as well as Mastering Astronomy, all by using the First Day program at UCF. First Day is a great program because it will save you money, and it makes it really easy for you to access the textbook needed and also Mastering Astronomy. However, there are two very important things that you have to do this first week of class. Number one, go to your web courses for this course and then click on modules. This is where you'll find access to the eText and mastering. And number two, click on course materials. If you're staying in the course for the rest of the semester, make sure you opt in by the deadline of Sunday, January 16th. The book that's used for this course is The Essential Cosmic Perspective, the 9th edition by Bennett. And in order to access it, you're going to, number one, go into web courses and then click on modules, and then off to the right you're going to find access to the eText and the Mastering Course Home and Mastering Assignments. The very first time that you click on this, you're going to have to agree to the terms of use and click continue. And then you're always going to go to modules to find the eText and any Mastering Assignments, the Mastering homepage, or the study area. The first week of class you have free open access, but if you're staying in this course, it is highly suggested that you do step number 2, which is opt in. Make sure that you opt in by the absolute deadline of January 16th. When you click on course materials and opt in, you're going to be paying a much reduced rate of $52.49 or close to it. If you purchase after the opt-in period is over, so after the 16th, the price will go up 30%, so it's about $99. So step by step, click on course materials, choose the opt-in option, confirm, and then make sure, triple check even, that you receive the email confirmation that you've opted into astronomy. Make sure you opt into each course that you want to opt into. So for example, if you opted into biology, you still have to opt into astronomy. It's a per course system. So what happens if you don't opt in? If you don't opt in, sometime after the drop add period, so the first week of class, you will lose access to the eText and mastering. When you click on the eText or Mastering Astronomy assignments, you'll get a screen that says something like this. And the only way that you can get access again is to go to the bookstore or the bookstore website and purchase access. But this time, you're going to be purchasing it at a much higher rate. So what happens if you miss the deadline or you don't opt in? Number one, you're going to lose access to the eText and mastering. Number two, you're going to have to go to the bookstore and purchase access at the national rate, which is about 30% more than the opt-in rate. You can purchase directly from the bookstore online, or you can go to the bookstore and purchase. However, please note, this isn't instantaneous. It's a manual process, and it can take 24 to 48 hours for you to regain access. If you have questions about opting in or questions about the email you receive, check with the UCF bookstore directly. You can contact them via this 800 number or any of these links that will be provided. If you have questions about the eText or mastering, scan this QR code and catch up with us on Zoom the very first week of class, or scan this QR code and we can catch up with you via a form that you'll fill out. Pearson support is available 24/7. Either scan the code or just simply Google Pearson Technical Support. Live phone and chat support is available from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. usually, and 24/7 is available with helpful hints and through the search feature. 99% of your problems with mastering or the eText can be solved simply by clearing the cache and restarting the browser. It's always a good idea to check your browser settings at the beginning of the semester. And if you do need help, contact Pearson Tech Support. I know you're going to have a great semester, but please reach out if you have any questions. Take care.